Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntariana Mula, aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Moteba, aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikota and Che bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Sikhethu bafethu. Ngegama abantu Ntariana. I was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ntaliana. So I'm out here bafethu. Show to MT. I mean avocado because it's a carbo lounge. So make sure you pull up and come have fun. It's a beautiful space, by the way. It's a Maboneng whereby you can vibe, you can host an event if you want to. There's an outside area, there's an inside area, 24 hours Shisanyama. Come on, and more is coming. Then I have my co-host side in buffet to I. Also ngitshela ukuthi ubani nokuthi usukaphi yabona ngakhuluma indaba zabantu. Phekwa.
Hi everybody, Sanibonani. My name is Swazi Hlatshwayo, Mhaise, Mama Kapandla Z, Ntombatana Yomswati, Ngiyateketa nyalo. Anyways, I'm from Gomora and thank you very much for introducing me, although you didn't do it the right way, Mata. I'd like to say Happy New Year to all of you guys in Makaya. He did mention we are at Cover Lounge, so I hope you guys do come around and do experience because this is such a beautiful place. And you know what? This year is a bomb. It's going to be a fucking bomb.
The boom. Yeah, well, so njengoba si-introduce that we hope to see abantu beza sometimes masishaya show. Engaba mnandi masenze show sibone abantu like bakhona live yabona bazobuka because it's a wider place. Maybe sometimes masishaya show sithengisa amatikiti abantu bangene ngamatikiti when the brand grows. But obviously, when the Black Italian talks, everything happens. Izoyenzeka right.
And by the way, guys, I'm so happy to be also a part of Kota and Chill. Shout out to Kota and Chill and the rest of the team for having me as a new one, a plus one. Of course, it's 2026. We are going to refresh you guys with new energy. We're reviving you with new content, and we hope you guys are going to like it. So right now, I just want you to fill us in on what exactly is Kota and Chill podcast about, and what is this year? What I'm going to give them this year? Please just give them my highlights, though.
Guys, I was away for quite some time. I'm a producer amaningi, nama record label amaningi bewajabulile, nama artist amaningi bewajabulile ukuthi uNtariana akekho kancane because benzokwazi ukropa abanye abantwana. So Ikota and Chill ibuyile, uNtariana ubuyile. So Ikota and Chill is all about standing for the truth. You understand? If you do right, we speak about you. If you do wrong, we correct you. So people, when you try to correct them, they think maybe about body shame or maybe ubakhuluma kabi. You understand? Mangithi okay une-brand, i-brand yakho uma ungahambisa kanje izokwenza imali. Mohlangana namawe nongijwayela amasimbi in yabo. So people must start to understand Ikota and Chill is not all about tarnishing ama-brand abantu. It's about building ama-brand abantu. So if you see that you are doing a flop, then uNtariana umuntu omeli Soweto come on ngikwazi ukuyi-era ngithi sonto so ayikho right, then mava nenkinga ngada
then it's going to be a problem.
You understand? Like a typical example, nge-event kaShona No One, that's what's happening in Deep Blue.
Yeah.
I made a video yakhona ngafonela abantu mama Peppa banibani yabona.
So where did you upload the video actually?
Everywhere, because I upload everywhere.
Okay.
So i-video ihambile yafika kwezinye indawo bengazofika khona.
Okay.
But then abantu bayifind it wrong, like iKaslam, it was
what
like,
did you upload? What was happening on the video?
So on the video I was talking about abantu abenza ama-street bash without involving joke.
Okay.
But I understand they just like do events nje because it's a doing events seKaslam umakhelwane bazo understand.
Yeah.
You understand? The only important thing that you think about is profit.
Yeah.
You understand? That's you making money. Ukuthi ngithengisa izinto ezingakanani. But at the end of the day, kuza le ntwana zamapansula. Uma sifika le ntwana sifike zenzeni zilimaza abantu kwenzakala sona yabo. So I explained the event. I explained ukuthi bafethu joke is very important. Hey abantu bangena. Hey what mara at the end of the day now I admit that joke is very important because without it abantu ababhaye bekho safe.
Okay. No, I totally understand. And shout out to Soweto. You did mention that you're from Soweto.
Okay, so
we do know that you're my partner. We're stuck like like this.
I will.
Yeah, we're gonna be rolling this.
Why?
Everything else can stop, but the camera keeps on rolling, guys. Mina, I represent Alexandra Ikomora. Ngiyabasela ngamalo ukhuluma ngeSoweto because wow. Also, Nekomora has a few more stories, but actually right now, I just wanted us to just give you guys an insight of what Kota and Chill podcast is about and what we're going to be giving you guys this year. From my understanding, originally it originates from DK, right? So DK is from Soweto. And right now we have relocated as people who are obviously, I wouldn't say it's a rebrand. Do you think it's a rebrand?
No.
It's not a rebrand because we're still using the same name. So basically what's happening now is that we just change location. We umfing things, we're biting things. And of course with your girl, me, Mama Pandal, the baddie of the baddest. I'm here and I'm going to give it to you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it. So now Pansula, and I just want to know what is your take on Ama cultures? Like, you know, Pansula is also a culture the same way there's Ikotana, Mapucho. I don't know, like, do you consider yourself as a Pansula, Boja? I don't know.
Mina ngokutshela before sizojampela Komora. Bafethu, this one you need to know as amaPansula, yabo.
Yeah.
UbuPansula is not a dress code.
Okay.
UbuPansula is not itikis.
Okay.
UbuPansula is not a 35.
Okay.
UbuPansula is not ukapi. Ijele akusi graduation. UbuPansula ingqondo. So what I mean is, if ungashaya deal manje 100,000, mawufike kazi sithi ushaya ispansula. That means ushaya smart.
Oh, it's clear.
It's clear.
Okay, so multi-smart, I always like to ask people, what is the difference between smart, clever, and intelligence? Because sometimes I do understand with even with cultures, there's a lot of lingos or languages, you know, and we say things without understanding what they really mean. So I just want to know, what is your definition of smart, clever, and intelligent? Because obviously they are different. That's why they have different names, and I'm sure there's some. There is maybe something isn't supposed to be common, but I mean, I'm sure we can break it down, right?
Ne,
so
okay.
don't tell them so I can understand.
Ne, so before ngijampela wena, asiqedele.
Okay.
Bese ngizawule.
Okay.
Ne.
Yeah.
So bengisafuna ukukhuza abafethu ababhaya ukuthi ukubhamba mfana akwenzi ipansula and ijele akusi graduation empilweni, I understand. So ubupansula ingcono mfethu. Ubupansula hayi ukuthi mangubamba inkunzi ngepansula, mangubamba inkunzi sengivandala ngisese ipansula.
Okay.
Because ubupansula it's something broad, it's something huge. Ubupansula kufana ne3 to 5. Ubupansula kufana nalelinge esikhulumayo. Abantu base Nigeria badla ngobupansula mara ubupansula buya ngapha.
Okay.
You understand? Abantwana abahlala esentini abangayigcoki idikisi ubona bona emabillboardini, mara abantu abagcoka idikisi bahlala eSoweto, mara akekho ebillboardini. So that shows you ukuthi ubupansula bula.
Okay. The Dula of Blancado.
You understand?
Right.
That's ubupansula. Then ububhutshwa obvious yazi ubucha amaboy, ubuclean namapansula clean.
Okay.
Ububhutshwa lobucha amaboy lobujive.
So when again?
Me, I was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. So I'm Italian.
Oh, okay.
So in Italian, it's more like
okay, no.
a black person. Now in Italian, and Tumbazan. Won't umuntu la Italian. You understand? So when you say Italian, umuntu okwazi ukunakekela abantu.
Oh, so that's what inspired your AKA name.
Yeah.
All right.
And then come Italian, ngiphe amantariana wasekhasi. Ngitholele igama babe bangibiza Ntariyana ngina 6 years.
Babone lifitha lihlala bathi yilo. Nawe walizwa ukuthi yilo.
Lingihlala egazini, I understand. So mangiqala uku understand ukuthi oh shit, uNtariyana umuntu onakekela abantu.
Okay.
So mangine class lamanzi. Ayike ngaphuze ngiyi1. So aphuze siyi2. Mangine once lie endlini angeke ngidle ngiyi1. Once soyi2 sibambise. Once silambe kancane soyi2. You understand? So la kunoNtariyana akunanhlupheko. La kunoNtariyana akunastruggle. Hlezi kuneplan.
Okay.
You understand?
That's very interesting to know about you. I guess I take this as a meet and greet, guys. So I don't know. I asked you a question, and then I thought you the question because I need to. Njengoba we categorize namanje ukuthi kunamabhuja lanani. If you understand ukuthi njengoba uthi ubusmart into enjani. Ubusmart ububa clean. Ubusmart is the way ucabanga ngakhona, it's the way ukhuluma ngakhona. What is ubusmart? Is it in language? Is it how you do things? I just want to understand.
Yeah, me by my own understanding, but smart is how you move. That's why about you move smart, about you move intelligent. Our move clever, but it moves smart. Your moves are
Okay.
smart.
So smarter moves. I hope you guys got
Shoot
that.
Lintwana Shama 2 finger my clapping is smart.
Because of the
Shy 2 finger
That benefits. But the crime, we don't condone crime, by
Yeah,
the way. As
mara-
condone, no
zi-
to crime.
Yeah. Nala basitshontshe lama pensela be smart. Because bonga zitshontshe
Wena
ubani.
bonga watshontsha
Ayi
amapensela.
ngashaya ngakwasa.
Yeah, now he's confessing, guys.
The pencil
So I hope you
case.
guys are watching so that you can comment. We do also, he did say that you guys, we are open door policy. You guys can comment. So we like to know your opinions and your views, what you're thinking about the conversation that we're having right now.
Yeah,
and then,
na ngizombuza me. Ngishaywa sani bathi.
and then,
pencil case.
okay, and then Clever.
Hayi, indaba legama Clever manje balimoshile.
Kanjani?
Umuntu makathi uClever.
Usukathi?
Ubamba inkunzi.
Hayibo.
Shama was breaking. Maba ngathi uClever no. Maba ngathi hayi mangeni out but I la uthi Clever leya. So cabanga iCrime.
Oh, okay.
Maba ngathi awuthi Clever usocabanga iCrime. And nani bafethi laba anibulala abafethi bafethi. Siyanicela neke ukubulalana because manje sekumele sikhiphe lecathulo zethu zakudala ezisitipayo ngamasandise noma funeralini abafethu bayaphela amaClever yabona so uClever nabo manisha
Abukho right.
abukho right.
Alright.
Once ubeyibhari mfethu.
And then intelligence, okay? Sesiqedile.
Intelligence umuntu o smart esikolweni shame.
Intellectually.
Yeah.
And that acquires more knowledge from
Yeah,
going to
yeah,
school, varsity,
yeah,
reading,
yeah,
research. Okay.
lo
Well,
intelligent.
I got my clarification because of Bosonglahle ukhuluma ngama-cultures amapantsula. But also, I would like us, njengoba bokhuluma the pantsulas and ukuthi culture yabo, how you don't like how they do things in this day today. Maybe we should invite someone who's from the Pantsula original culture, right? What do
Yeah.
you think? That can explain it more to us. Give us
ukuthi
more.
kwenzakala
Yeah.
awekho amapansula Alex
Bakhona actually, bakhona.
Oh,
Spusiso, there's Ntwana Yama Spusiso Majavan, actually from London. I'm name dropping him right now because he's the best and he is a dancer. He's on music videos as well. I think he's one person that we should look into and bring him on the show. I think people would be excited to see him and hear what he has to say about the culture and it's taking him to other places and traveling and all of that. Yeah, so I think now that we've introduced the year with that, maybe we should start with
ne so amapansula seKaslam are they notorious njengamapansula seKaslam because our seKaslam there's more of stabbing, there's more of robberies, there's more of gangsterism whereby like groups of young people who gather together and attack each other like that.
It's that deep. Okay, in Gomora, it's not that deep. Like, people, if they are associated with a group, let's say in Jobs Kulmama Panzula, they will focus strictly on dancing and, you understand, Bachavanji's Panzula and not make it a rival thing. Yabo. But instead, Alex, into hectic Gomora, into hectic, it's Amantaban's always the safe was the jewelry. Drugs, Yibabantu, that where you know that game's a very dangerous game. That's where people kill each other. So Alex is popular for that. It's not really popular for Makubupansula and but yes, it's rather popular for other things like Imoto, Amatrutufai, Ipinara. I don't know Ipinara because also yeah, because also I'm a ghetto girl, so I speak also a lot of the ghetto language. So I don't know what but anyways, Ipinara and yeah, where's the safe with the jewelry? People that do house robberies and drug dealers. That's what in Alex dominates most, and that's how people kill each other because of Bashaile, Banokani, Zinto. You know how it goes around Elazinjan. So yeah.
Yeah.
So in Alex, it's not that deep, eh?
No, but it deep Alex because if ukhuluma crime and upheka ratings of crime, Alex ikhona. As a girl sifuna sifake deep Alex. Phela Alex bafethu ucabanga ukuthi umkhukhu kuhlala umuntu kanti la kulabachachela khona imoto.
The thing is about Alex, it's a small place. It's a very small township, and for it being a small place, it also has a large population. Like it has a large population. It has a lot of people there. Staying there, si mixed. Tswana, Masuthu, Amapedi, Amazulu, Amavenda, Amaswati. Like yonke lento le sikhona. And as much as it's small, people know each other. In Daringlan, it's easy for us to know each other. So obviously, if you're a drug lord, ama-drug lord lapha bayaspanisana, bayasebenzisana. It's not easy for them to be in competition with each other. And even if kucacile imoto, kokotela imoto khona lapho, they know each other. And that's why I think kunokuspanisana somewhere somehow, and that's why the crime is kept intact within, because of it's interconnected, because everyone, it's very small. It's easy for us to track it down. So whatever, you know, it's easy for them to be able to get through the whole processes of the streets in Alex and get to if babakufuna bazokuthola Alexandra. So it's not a big place ukuthi manje kunzima ukuthi navigate izinto around it. It's a very small place. It's a very it's very popular, so you guys can also do research on it. Yeah.
So when as an advocate as Alex, what do you think about infrastructure as Alex? Like izindlu nje, phela just Alex iphise pavement imoto engangena noma kunini endlela nje.
Yeah, well, iyahluka. Alex, there's different parts to it. There's the burbs of Alex, and then there's Iloish, like the township, like Mahashahashe, there's Mikuku, there's Yonkelentole, Amazafios, Yonkelentole, you know. And with the infrastructure, obviously it's bad, it's horrible. We are also popular for Amaroto. We are known to be having Amaroto, and Amaroto is part of the hygiene. Alex is not hygiene, like the hygiene, because there's dustbins everywhere, estradeni, like it's a mess. And I don't know, because of we are a neighbor actually of Santon, you know, and it's quite concerning, because now that's when you ask yourself, Uti, what are these people in the political space saying about it, and what are they doing about it? We have the Gautrain station, we have Santon, and like it's like the smallest township. It's not problems on money. It's load shedding. It's water. It's 10 people living in Mkukino one, and it's a small Mkuku.
And it's a pavement day.
And it's a pavement day. So there's a lot. It's a lot that happens then. But also the beautiful thing about Alex is the culture of talent. There are so many talented people in Alex, like myself. I'm a creative.
Yeah.
So the talent that comes out of it, it's amazing. It's out of this world. And I guess that's why I'm a tourist also, when they come this side, they do also want to come and just explore around the Alex. But I think I'm a politician now, it's something else that we need to look into in one of the episodes that we do, hey, because you asking me about this is it's heartbreaking, because I mean, that's where I come from, and I would want it to be a developing place, but we are stuck, we are running in circles, nothing is happening. Like namanja dustbin as I can't even like recently, like small things like that. Yo, it's been I think the whole December they didn't come.
Yo, shoot nama casted nama chili walanda man.
Dude, it is a disaster. So amarota yazenzela ikundwana se Alexandra lilengana ni size 5 yendoda.
Yo,
so imagine.
You should like Paramel.
Bega, alisabi nabantu mawuhamba lila. Likde lila. Bega, vase alisabi.
Nera text next.
Bega lidla kwasala.
Lidla nera text.
Alifi, alifilele, can't die. So it's hectic, guys. Sifita, yabona isiplane ilwayo.
Should that's why they skip some rotos na feel some pia.
Yeah, because you know, obviously it's the originality of it. So, but anyways, yeah, we also need to look into politics. Saying this is something we need to look into this year, because it's been a great pandemic in South Africa as a whole. It's affected us political. What do you call this? GBV. It's been a big problem. It's been a big pandemic, and also we need to look into elections that have been happening or that are still in process. People who are running for being mayors and councillors and presidents. All of this, we need to cover this all in 1 year, because guys, we are residents of South Africa. We are citizens, and we need to also, you know, have a 2 cents of advice, or rather be informed and educated about what's happening around us. I don't know.
No, but talking about politics, I do get you, know. The thing is, age group age.
Yeah.
Like they don't believe in politics anymore. Like they don't even take it serious. Mangabuza abaningi nje abasekhaya nje ukuthi indaba ngcineni ukuzibukela. Bazokutshela ukuthi umunye na 7 years angazibukeli.
Yeah.
Gogo hambe ka vote, gogo hambe ka vote. Enhle yazi mina ke ngicabanga ngutshela ivali. le bafethu ngifuna ukubeka abantu bayizwe
Yeah.
ngine formula yokwenza abantu ukuthi banga drop out esikolweni ngiyakutshela
Okay, let's hear this one.
ngiyakutshela
I want to hear this one.
bafethu
Okay.
mamelani ne asithi ungena grade 10
Yeah.
ne mongena grade 10 uyaphasa maybe uya ku grade 11
Yeah.
mayo grade 11 ukhetha ama subjects
Yeah.
mokhetha ama subjects isikulethela iCV ugcwalisa iCV
Grade 10.
grade 11
Grade
ayithophasi
11, okay.
yeah ugcwalisa unga drop out grade 10 na fika grade 11
Amara ngithi le formula yakho is still an idea.
Yeah,
It's not yet
ne.
implemented. No
Yeah.
one has ever said
Ni-
it's
senza
the right
idea
one,
kahle
we're gonna
nje.
do it. It's not
yeah
there. So
yabo mase grade 11 negcwalisa ama CV uyangithola manigcwalisa ama CV banitshela ukuthi mfethu moqede ugrade 12 so nespan for 2 years sigmele shule span isimele wena
So a career, and then we khetha kanjani, because I believe most people around that year or around that age, they're very indecisive of the kind of career that they want to indulge in or they want to take. You know, people, but you'd be surprised. A lot of people but discover later after matric, would say, actually, I thought I wanted to be a lawyer, but now I want to be a doctor. You understand?
Yeah.
So how do you then, the strategy in terms of a career, choosing the correct career? Because yes, you can promise me, but after 2 years, this is what's on the table. But then, how sure am I if I still have the passion and the adrenaline to take it on?
angithi phela iya ngama subject wakhetha leso ngithi moka grade 11 if uzokhetha i tourism kusho ukuthi wena mele sikutholela abantu tourism type shit
Okay.
if uzokhetha i general mele sikufonele abo lawyer so angithi izwe ngama subject wakhetha leso ayicala ku grade 11 singacala ku grade 10 because sesidizi lapho sada kwentuthu ne chalkboard sekwenza sikufaka ku grade 11 then mase sikuthembise isigela
Yeah.
mase sikuthembise umsebenzi ku grade 11 dog come on uzolwela ufika ku grade 12
Yeah.
and uzolwela ukuceda isikolo because uyazi ukuthi okay senginomsebenzi for 2 years angeke ube nalento le ukuthi akafani siswami uqeda isikolo manje matric certificate ihleli phansi komphethe
Yeah, but it's one thing against my promises to people to say, after 2 years or in the next 2 years, you're going to be getting a job. It's one thing against my promises, but delivery is another.
yeah
It's two different things. You
sibona mele
understand?
badelive mina ngigayile idea
Oh, you want to
yeah mina ngibagayi idea
All right.
yokulimita ama drop outs nina senzabona ukuthi niphuma kanjani then niyayisebenzisa
All right. Nizwele, guys.
Hey,
My
Kathe.
idea is 70 tateni, work on it, brainstorm it, do everything that you need to do. But speaking about education and speaking about career path, actually, so Potential has a intern
Intern.
program, and I think you should also let them in on that.
yeah bafethu mina me intern so in terms of lighting cameras like production yabona yeah so
Yeah, but I understand multi-lighting, cameras. They need to know
like
right
production.
now we have people actually.
emuva yazi bengingafisa ukuthi bazikhulumele nje
And
Mara bashayi.
abafuni. But anyways, it's fine. So like he said, Uti Potential does have an internship, right?
Yeah, internship.
Internship program where people come to learn. They involved, deeply involved. There's the camera guy, the team, the whole team, actually
Like
the whole
production.
crew that makes
Production.
us ukuthi sibe la njengoba nisibona siba sikhuluma nani, audio, everything, the engineering, the makeup, the stuff, everything, guys, you name it, they have it. It's also part of the package. So education is a big thing for us, and that is why we invest in it, right?
yes
Exactly.
yeah cause
So
yeah.
manje ama New Year's resolution sikhulume into endisakhohlwa nokubuza nama New Year's resolution he.
konje New Year's resolution yini
New Year's resolution is when makuphela the year ukuthi next year njengoba ngingena enyakeni omusha ngifuna ukwenzani.
bafethu abana mina mangantshela ivale mina bafethu ngithanda ukuba honest yabo yeah mina ngithanda ukuba honest side lami mina sobona phambili hayi le ama resolution le mfana uyasetha mfana ugcina ubona ngathi uNkulunkulu akayenza umsebenzi because wena ufuna into eyellow yena kanti ufuna this uthola into eblue so mfana faka ispan la bona opportunity khona faka ikhanda uzobona phambili
Okay. No, I
wena yakho yini
I don't believe in New Year's resolutions
So what
because 90% of the time, Jalo, in the previous years, my New Year's resolution, I never stuck to it. You know, along the way, I did something completely different to what I believed in. But anyways, I think that is where we are going to close it because we have covered everything for today.
Sesavala. No man, mina ngisasenenkinga. Ngisasenenkinga eyi-one.
Yeah.
Le ama-awards.
Okay.
Lento le ama-awards bafethu no. Uyakhumbula kudala mfethu makuzodlala ama-awards.
Yeah.
Bengathi kudlale World
What
Cup.
awards? Ngoba ama-awards
Okay.
ayahluka. Be specific
Music
about
awards.
it. Yeah.
Music awards lawandlulile.
Yeah.
Thina besazi ukuthi makuzodlala ama-awards, music awards.
Yes.
Bengathi kudlale World Cup.
Okay.
Manje andlulile akwaziwa because abantu abafisa after bengana movement ayishikanga muntu like bafethi culture ama awards wile and abantu abazi ukuthi wiso yini.
Awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe technology nayo it plays a big role because of now people don't go out in numbers go and actually be there physically and everyone is rather would do things at the comfort of their home and it's just and everyone is busy these days, everyone has so much to do, like to even post about these things. I understand the silence is deteriorated, yes. So like it's bad. I understand what you're saying. There's a lot of things that we've lost a culture of in terms of popularizing them. So it's not only AMA awards that are going down in terms of it being, you know, a famous thing, a famous event.
Yeah.
A lot of things have gone down. Things such as, for instance, Christmas. We don't celebrate Christmas the same way we used to. So everything has changed. Le era le esikuyo manje izinto zichangeile. But I don't know, maybe you guys can tell us ukuthi why is it that AMA awards were not the talk of town? Why?
Yazi ama-awards amoshe kalini. That time uRicky Vela stage antshela ukuthi ama-awards ayathengwa. That's the time sabona ukuthi yazini asazingene zama-awards because iyafana sivotelana.
But that thing of Tenga, it has been a rumor. Well, on the streets, it said that's what they say. But Mina, I also recently saw a live Yaga Mahu. She was talking about the same thing as well. That one of her, I don't know, her fans was trying to vote for her 70 times, and that person couldn't because of Mahatua Vota. But then it shows someone else. So by saying some vote to someone else or something like that. So it's a big thing. She was on a live talking about it. So it's a big thing, yeah, and it kills my artist as well. So it's bad.
So when usazovota ungavota ke wena makunjalo lwazi ukuthi le artist olivotelayo leli uyalivotela mara kune stable esinemali engaka isizothenga le award. Yabona ukuthi uRicky ngale ya comment.
So are you saying culture ye entertainment is yafa kahle kahle phela mawuthi am I gonna vote mina nami I'm an artist, so are you saying we're not gonna even get there? Is that what you're saying?
Ungafika mara kuzowina onemali.
But like
because the award is a pure stunt, like mangatholi award some award uyazi ukuthi sodumile, so ungainvesta kuwe ngemali ethile ngokuthola isibhithi ngokuthengela ibhithi or iGrammy for you to be well known.
But goes mara okay, but imali yaphela mas
mara wena usase relevant.
So we buying the relevance.
Yeah, sikuthi wena mawuthi uzala bathi kuze le artist elineGrammy ungagcwala la.
Then it's hectic. Mina angazi it's hectic. But as an artist, lento le iyangitoucha and it's going to affect us ngiyayibona in the future. And I don't know what do you think about it? But AI also apparently for us as media, we are in trouble. We are in trouble. And I don't know. Ucabanga ngayo wena?
Ayish.
Because lento yenza izinto zenzeke. Honestly speaking.
Yaqeda nemisebenzi.
Yeah, iqeda imisebenzi. I don't know ukuthi abantwana bethu by 2030 bazobe basasebenza and
mara like there's something else we can do. Like sometimes to be smart you must outsmart the smartest. Just save money for now. Maybe AI robot will be available so you can purchase it. Then it works for you. Yeah, maybe that might happen.
I hope.
You purchase the robot.
Well, I hope you
sit at
practice what
home.
you preach.
Yeah, you sit at home. You're humble for now.
Yes, good to my lady. How much is that then?
Save us over Bambi.
Yeah, but the layer is fine because of the more it's cut his hand, but the more upgrade and the more cost but like this is a serious concern because everything now revolves around AI, like lately, you know, and even with Ushebe, for instance, oh, he made song of the year.
So Bella. Normally with Trading FM, Theta FM, and even a song of the year win. Umuntu one song of the year one, Kawonke Chigele. Shebe Shit.
Ratolaka. Ratolaka. Featuring Zingumalo. Oh, that's a great song. I love it as well. I was actually jamming to it at a club.
And the Kabange usejele lo muntu lo Marwini song of the year.
So how do you feel about him? Do you think like consistent in all stuff yes, but do you think this one with this number he did the things compared to Ikraftake before? Because he's never been this he's always been popular, but this song to be specific made him
it means ukuthi ajele in namanye artists because Ushebe Shita bekai like the same time Ushebe Shita we loved his influence, not the music, but this one we love the music. Lerato Laka.
Okay.
Phela khona le thunya mfana ka thunya yabona lezo besithanda yena lapho. So kule Rato Laka we sithanda yena, sithande no music.
Okay. So would you say Lengoma le was it a hit because of Zingumalo? Because Z is also a superstar. I love Z.
Yeah.
But would you say it's there because of Z or because of they planned it well and it just happened to be one of those songs where you get in the studio and it just happens to be a hit?
Yeah, because
Z also with Z, I never thought of Z doing. Yeah, I never thought of Z doing the compo. So it was a very but it turned out to be a beautiful thing. So that's why Buzo, do you think the song is what it is because of Z, or because of both of their profiles?
Yeah.
Or because of proper planning? Because sometimes getting in the studio and ama hit songs anokuyenzeka singaplay now ukuthi
iba hit song.
Yeah, over you record when was your dash just another one. Kanti it's a bang.
Yeah. But I remember she's on the pick. Shebe pick. So both of them hip hop. So they don't need like no PR or anything.
But did you ever see it coming though?
No. I expect after baqeda ukubhesha lady too. I see you nesibindi.
But shout out to Z. I like her. That's my girl.
Shout out.
She is a true definition of a ghetto chick or a township hand that is about talent and making music and making money and independent and yonke lento lepega. Shout out to Phakamisile Z. I like that. So
yeah, shout out to Z one time and shout out to Shebe Shita one time. Shetrisa mfana karaba Shetrisa wathikisa lefatshe ka moka was vevula le president phezulu le inside la lighter di stiluli gona ga shapa di cricket ga se vevula twana yam I think we still need to cover more but because of the time.
Yeah, sure.
Nizosibona futhi and unpack ezinye izinto yabona azozintroduce futhi kahle yabona to.
Yeah, this was just an intro.
Yeah, and happy new year by the way bafethu. Because bathi new year yethu September sethathini happy new year.
Mina sese ku December by the way, but anyways happy new year.
Mina yimi calendar isebenzi. Ne, so ungangirepipe le show before ngirepi show.
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and the most important thing is to subscribe. We want to hear from you guys and we hope that you guys are going to enjoy our shows for the whole year and many more years. Love and peace. We love you.
So mina bafethu ngegama ngo Katlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soitoka Fele Mutseba aka Mr. Cool himself. I was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intariana. Silana bafethu. Cavo lifestyle loan. So make sure you pull up, have fun with us. Mfethu, we just changed the location, but
Soweto,